Hi there, just got another update on the car as a few bits have happened today. So firstly, the parts have all come in. I've got a new battery, an engine air filter, cabin filters, some Jubilee clips there because just a couple of corroded in the engine bay. Set of spark plugs, that's a fuel cap seal, as it was noted on the MOT as a advisory a couple of times, and they're only £10, so I thought I'd replace that. We've got a fuel filter, oil filter and the oil there. A steering damper, because they're all quite common to wear out on these, so I've ordered one of those. And then you've got gearbox filter, seal, and also a gearbox dipstick, as this doesn't have one, this model, whereas my E-Class, the W124, does. So yeah, I'm going to do a couple of bits tonight, and then I will leave the rest until the weekend or when it comes back from the body shop, because it's hopefully going there on Wednesday, and then the seats will come back shortly afterwards. Here's the rear window all done. So yeah, it all went in fine. Yeah, all sealed around the edge. It's actually a Pilkington glass, so I think that's similar to the original manufacturer. Yeah, the only issue was there was the heated rear window connects on both sides, and on the left hand side the screw had seized, so we just had to solder it and then heat shrink it. So yeah, that should be all fine. I'm gonna put the new battery in and test that in a minute, and then I'll refit that trim, so that's fine, and then just leave it here to make sure it's all properly cured, dried, and then that's that. So yeah, as I said, as that probably going off to the body shop on Wednesday, so probably won't see it for a week or two, so there may not be an update. And then yeah, just got to finish the service and the seats, and we're all good. So yeah, thanks very much again for watching. Cheers, bye.